Today we're going to be using the I, T, N and K letter tiles. Can you please make sure that you have these in front of you? Okay, you're going to watch me make the words first and then you're going to have a go at making them yourselves. If you need to pause the video to have more time to make the words, you can do that. Okay, so you need to watch first and then have a go. Okay, the first word that we're making is it. It. It is a beautiful day today. Can you please use your letter tiles to make these words for me? Fantastic. Okay. The next word that we're going to be making is in. In. The rabbit is in the hat. Can you please use your letter tiles to make this word for me? Now you'll notice that you only have to change the last sound from a t to a n to make in. Fantastic. And the last word that we're going to make today is I, N, K, ink. My pen ran out of ink. Can you please use your letter tiles to make this word for me? Great job.